What are we gonna do now?
Toy train!
We're gonna open your little toy train. Who bought it for you?
I'm for you, Daddy!
Who bought the train for you?
Mommy!
Yes, Mommy. Okay, come here, Daddy. Come here. Here, use the train. Wow, it's just a little. Let's see. Wait, before you open, let's see what it is. We'll show them. It's just a miniature train set. It's just very cheap. Yes, because Jediel likes steam trains. He loves steam trains. So open it.
Show them.
Okay, and you have to show your viewers. Oh no! So it has some railways. Okay.
Mommy!
What? Okay. So it has some rails. It has railways, and then this one is the steam train with the whistle and the tender, and these are the carriages. See this? They're just very tiny. And there's another one with the coal. Well done. And what's this? Let's show them. Oh, what's that? You have to connect it. That's the... Can I see? The dairy. Yeah, the dairy. Okay. So first we will assemble. There's some more here. Daddy, can you open it? Oh, can you... Oh, let's see, Jedi, look. Okay. So we can connect this one here.
Oh no, Mommy, help!
Okay, Mommy will help you. So, let's see. So press train sides and lift to reveal battery compartment. There is a battery. Oh, we need to put a battery, Daddy.
Anyway, we have a battery there.
On and off switch on the side. The battery is here inside. We need to put the battery inside. There. So we need a battery there. And then we can make this a circle. Are you excited, Jedi?
Oh no!
Oh, don't worry. Mommy will sort that for you. And then we need to put this here. Oh, don't be careful. But Mommy will help you. You need to ask Mommy's help. We will ask Daddy to get a battery.
Oh no, we need to stop it!
So you connect this one to
We need to stop!
here. Oh, you need the coal first. And then this one is the carriages. Oh, we're not finished yet with the railway. It's a very little train. Very, very little. We need a floor. Okay, Mommy will connect this one here. So it's longer.
Oh no!
We need to play this in the floor though because we're on the bed. That's why we're not getting it straight. Okay?
Okay,
Just wait. Alright. Okay, so now we need a battery. Let's check. And that's everything. So this is just £1.99. Mom, bargain. So since I thought of Jediel, he might want to play with this miniature toy train. It is just very cheap.
£1 to make the little boy
Happy. Okay, so every day is special. There. But we need to put it on the floor. Shall we put it on the floor? Oh, wait. Okay, go. I think you need to adjust the railway so it will be redirected.
Oh no!
Was it the sound of the train?
I'm a new baby now. Mommy, watch your mommy, daddy sing train. Thank you. I'm good, Daddy.
Are you happy?
Yeah. What's this? What's this?
What?
What's this?
It's a horn.
The whistle.
Ah, the whistle.
Stopper. Way to go This is dog. This is dog.
What is it?
This is dog of water. This is dogs.
Dogs? Have you seen dogs in the steam train?
This is dog.
Where is it? Can't see it. Where?
This is dog.
No.
There's a dog in there.
Is it only a dog inside, or maybe there are some cows, elephant, giraffe? Have you seen giraffe inside the steam train? Have you seen lion inside the steam train? No. What about rabbit? Squirrel? Yes. Have you seen squirrel inside the steam train? Yes. What about zebra? Is a zebra inside the train? Oh, so what's inside the train? Only the giraffe. Oinks, oinks. Does it fit in there? Mm-hmm. Where is the train now? Where did you put the train? Oh, well done. Okay, you can play it in the track.
Sorry, guys.
Why? Why do you say sorry? Where's the train? Where did you put the train? Is it the back of your... Is it in your hands? Ah, you're hiding it. Oh.